Hi, I'm Pankaj. I'm the host for Kasol Camps. We here at Kasol Camps cater to backpackers, trekkers from all over the world. We also cater to students from colleges and universities from all over India. We are located very close to Kasol main town. We are a riverside property, Parvati Valley. We have Swiss cottage tents with attached washroom inside, and we accommodate 4 to 5 people in one cottage camp. And places to see around here, most important ones are Ganga, Manikaran, where you can go and see the hot water springs and take a bath there. It's great detoxifying water, good for your health, your joints, body aches.
सब हो जाएगा।
Among our specialty in food, you can try grilled trout fish. That is our specialty in Kasol Camps. You can also try our barbecue, and we have a nice riverside sitting arrangement where you can enjoy a nice breeze with your. You can taste a lot of cuisines. Discussing the evenings for our DJ night. Probably try our favorite cars by the river. Be great. Most important track would be Sarmas, Ganga, Chandrakhani, and Pinball.
N3 और 3 में 4 जने खाना खाए। हो सकता है कुछ अभी
टाइम लगेगा भाई।
कितने
तो जाएगा टाइम लगेगा।
खाना तो रेडी होगा ना? हाँ?
I'm Anil from Mumbai and here I come to Kasol. यार कसोल लोग क्यों आते हैं नेचर का मजा लेने के लिए? अगर आपको नेचर का एक्चुअली मजा लेना है कि नेचर के साथ जीना है तो दिस इज द बेस्ट कैंप यू एवर हैव. तो ट्रैफिक की आवाज़ से उठते हैं बट यहाँ पे उठने का एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस है. ओके यहाँ पे आपको उठाती तो नदी की आवाज़ उठाती है. And when you come out from your tent, there is a huge mountains. Means लगता है कहाँ शहरों में रह रहे हैं. Very cool. Service is very cool and quick. Okay, I got everything within 10 minutes here. Everything. Staff is very good and friendly too. And helping nature. Whenever I call them, they come and serve me.
To reach Kasol Camps, you can take one bus from Delhi, and you can get down in Buntar, and from Buntar you can take the local bus or taxi to reach Kasol Camps. It's only 35 kilometers from Buntar, or you can either take the flight directly from Delhi to Buntar